It's a 2013 Polaris Sportsman 400, and this is your air filter location. So it's gonna be, there's a latch right here on your seat. You just pull this latch up, the seat pops right off, and then your air filter, your air box is right here. So if you wanna change it, you just undo these clips, and this just pops right off, and there's your air filter. If you're going to replace it, there's a flathead screwdriver right here, so you take and you just undo that. I can actually show you real fast. So if you want to do it, all you do, sorry about that, is you take and just unscrew right here, this little flathead part. And then this air filter should just wiggle right off. There you go. And then you can take and just put your new one right back on. And then you just tighten up. And you just tighten up this screw again. And that's how you replace it. If you have any questions, let me know.